Rules for obtaining images formed by convex mirrors. Rule 1. A ray parallel to the principal axis of a convex mirror appears to be coming from the mirror. Rule 2. A ray going towards the center of curvature of a convex mirror is reflected back along the same path. Rule 3. A ray going towards the focus of a convex mirror becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Rule 4. A ray incident at the pole is reflected back, making the same angle with the principal axis. Every time the image has following characteristics. The image is formed behind the mirror. It is virtual and erect, smaller than the object.